good morning guys, this is EinnaRose and welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna make chicken mushroom soup with kidney beans. Well, this soup is super healthy because it's loaded with chicken, mushroom, vegetables, and kidney beans. So you should try it too. I'm sure you're gonna love it. But before we proceed, I just wanna say hi and thank you to Che. Che, this kid tried my cauliflower pizza and he said he loves it so much. So look at this video guys. He sent me a video.
Thank you, Tita Annie, for the bread and pizza ingredients. Thank you very much. I love it.
So that's Che. Thank you, Che. Thank you for liking my cauliflower pizza recipe. I mean for loving it. You said you love it, right? Okay. I hope to see you soon, Che. For the chicken mushroom soup, my ingredients are garlic, ginger, fresh cilantro, onion. I also have here one celery stalk, slice, tomato, carrots, kidney beans, rinse, and 2 cups mushroom, 1 pound chicken cut into strips. We have also here chicken broth, or I mean vegetable broth, but you can also use chicken broth. And of course, we also need salt and pepper to taste. So that's it. Okay, so it's time to cook now. So a dash of olive oil first. Not too much oil, that's enough. Okay, so normally I cook the chicken first. Next, I'm gonna season it with salt and of course pepper. Okay, this is good now, so I'm gonna transfer this into a bowl. Okay, there you go. Okay, so in the same pan, I'm gonna cook the mushroom. Okay. So I cook the chicken and the mushroom separately. This is how I cook it. Okay, so this is good. I'm gonna transfer it in the bowl where the chicken is. There you go. Now it's time to cook the vegetables. Okay. Okay, first is garlic. Okay, now vegetable broth. Or like I said, you can also use chicken broth. Okay, let's cover it. There you go. Let's add the chicken and mushroom. There you go. Kidney beans. Okay, so let it simmer again for 5 minutes. For my finale, I put fresh cilantro on top. And that's it, guys. My chicken mushroom soup is ready to serve. So this is my chicken mushroom soup with kidney beans. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.